Say something before I say this. Just give me some minutes. My name, Afambo, and I'm online. Let it go viral. Afambo, Venerable Gifts, Esele, Robert. Afam, Abogomafa, Benam, Esele. Abromonyi Igbo, Abumonyi Edo State. Tomorrow, as a church, after doing repentance, we're going to take some decisions concerning the Igbo nation on this altar. Hear me. Abronwa Igbo. Mana abugo nwa Igbo. Pay attention. Okay, for cancer Igbo. Oye na Igbo a nwa Igbo ka o yabo. Ah? Oye na Udi Igbo a nwa Igbo ka bura nwa Igbo. Pay attention. Hear me. Let me show you something. Don't miss tomorrow. The time for the Igbos have come. Listen. One of the greatest mistakes Madu Warike made is not to be sensitive at the appointed time, or to be sleeping when God has remembered him. When God has remembered you, or when God is saying it is your set time of remembrance, or is your set time for visitation. I will tell you about that covenant. Have you asked yourself, have you asked yourself, have you ever asked yourself, Gini Bakara Mbanuraya Biafra Naini Nauro? Have you asked yourself? Eh? Even though the word have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself how we are the Biafran soldiers able to manufacture local weapons to fight? Have you asked yourself that question? But how we are they manufacturing weapons? Have you asked yourself that question? The other, I brought my problem, and we eventually go see you. And all pay attention. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Ineba. Look up. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. Or upper state, the state. Which state? Ununokweba. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. Or Kanu. Unusno Kanu. Or Kaduna. Or Ibadan. Can't call. Listen, look up. There. Na Abuja di God the ta Bundione. Na Kano di God the Bundione. Na Lagos di God ndi Bokusi importation. That sea a close one. Na Lagos di God the Bundione. Pay attention. Ije Lagos full 50-story building. All the 10 ndi Bo 8. Ina anu yam na Ijekano fu nenu on the Igbo nenu awan. In an even nenu my wilaya nenu. Mado nesigona na state also biaruo nenu na Igbo. Wa for nyawa. Keda for nyawa. One ma for nyawa. Watch this. Listen. Anochala Yaseb Anibo. So say Chineke bebri na bomb baba metu gwebone metro like cathedral now. Now anuchala lile buchendebu. Pay attention. Bua unogo maybe unogo maybe everywhere. Can you look back into our state? Ayadikandi anusuraga. Anyadike banuraya. Kedindi na ya na street time. Kedindi na you on a street time. I can't hear you. Ndone. Then Maya. Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Covenant. Covenant. Now, Jom sim onye bo onye Igbo. Jom ya. Ndi Igbo bu ndi Israel. I will bless them who bless Ndi Igbo, and I will curse them who curse Ndi Igbo. Pay attention. Ndi Igbo bu gini Ndi Israel. We are the missing tribe of Israel. Nanamaya. Ondo cha kuzunu ke se bi ubu. Ana majunu. Tupu ndo cha bia unu na bi ubu. Ofa kuzunu ke se bi ubu. Ngwa wulanya gelu. Ima ifa na akpọ ofo na Igbo. Ime ebe amụtara ya. Ime ebe amụtara ya. Onye na-ejide ofo na Igbo. Okenye. Onye na-ejide ofo na Israel. Icho ka ngawa yiru. Nkọwara gị ihe. Nkọwara gị. As long as Israel cannot go down, the Igbo nation cannot go down. So they are fighting in vain. They are fighting in vain. They are gathering in vain. They shall kill themselves. They shall fight themselves. They shall kill themselves. Let me end. Hear me. They closed the border. Did they close your destiny? Answer my question. Who they closed the border? Did they close your destiny? They close importation. Did they close your destiny? The buy Igbo Miri. And I did a miriaka. It is an Akayapafua. We shall stand taller than them. Hear me. I prophesy to Igbo nation. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son shall shine. Let me end. Hear me. Hear me. Let it go viral. Hear me. Oxford University has approved Igbo language. Ana akuzi asusu Igbo na Oxford University. Njogisi abichi odione ikiniwem. Iwe ikiniwem ugbu. Njogisi gini bu damfe ikiniwem. Gini wa asusu ikiniwem. Gini bu muffin ikiniwem. Gini bu ilu Ndi Igbo ikiniwem. Hear me. Our destiny shall shine.